All right, you guys, I guess it's Cobra time. I always have my camera ready to go. I was watching television on our new TV, and somebody came and said that they want us to come get a Cobra. It's in a house that's just over that way. So I have my safety glasses. It may be a Cobra, it may not, but we will find out. And I'm headed over there right now.
It's in their bathroom.
It's in their bathroom?
Yes. เดี๋ยวหนูเอากันบ่เดี๋ยวหนูเอากระสอบซะก่อนดีกว่าต้องอาบน้ำแล้วจ้ะYes. She said you can wear your shoes, okay?
ดูฝาถังกันเลยน่าจะดูถังไหมมาชิลโอ้เขาโปะมาเลยค่ะ
That hole, she said, be
เจอ
careful.
มันก็เขาโปะค่ะล่ะ
Yes, have to put something.
เอาลองเอาโปะเข้าอีกค่ะ
Oh, then that's another hole.
ไม่ได้ดอกไม่ได้ดอก
That's another hole.
ไม่ได้ดอกเอาตัวนี้ดิเอาขวดดินี่อ่ะ
No, wait.
เอาตัวนี้ก็ได้อ่ะเอาไปเลย
Okay.
เอาท่านได้บอกได้สำนักกับบอกได้โอเคแล้วนางจิบเลยงูเห่านางเอ้ยงูเห่ามันดับ
That is a big one. And it has a full stomach.
เห่าเป็นดับจะไม่ยืนหูเนาะ
So you guys, this one is a lot bigger than that little baby that we got before. If it spits, it's going to be able to spit quite far. So I'm going to try to manipulate it in a way that I don't get spit on. And I'm going to keep my mouth closed, so I don't want any venom to go into my mouth.
Oh, it's got big belly. It's good food.
Okay, that was very smooth, no spit. That is a big one.
It's big.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Kakunka.
ก็พูดหลายๆ
หนูจะเอาไปปล่อยพูดละค่ะไก่พูดละ
ไปปล่อยงานเลย
จ้ะ
เขาบอกพูดเขา
บ
ไม่
าสเนาะ
เขาคาเลย
แม่ค่ะ
จะกินอิ่มไปจ้าคุณใส่เพราะเขามาหา
ท้
ท้
อ
อง ง
ง่ายๆกินหนูสวรรค์นะคะกินไป
ไปลูกไปที่พวกยูป้าคิดงานที่ตัวบ้าน
All right, you guys. So that is a really good size one. Very mellow, full stomach. And you saw how I was able to manipulate it straight into the bag, which is the safest way to do things. So we are going to take it back to the house, and I will give you guys some close-up footage of this snake before we release it. We'll probably go to our land, I guess, and do a release. What do you think, Apple?
Yes,
Yeah?
we could do
Okay.
that. Yes.
Let's go do that.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณหลายหนาโอ้ย
Here? Alright guys, so we're going to release this snake back here against the forest, which is our land, which we just got done showing you. And yeah, hopefully it'll escape without any dogs on its trail and all that stuff. We kind of strategically release the snakes where it's away from houses and away from dogs, because dogs are one of the main concerns. So anyway, let's go give this a whirl. Alright, so try to give you guys a look at this animal. It's probably going to want to dart off into the leaf litter, which I don't blame it at all for that, but let's see what we can do here. And it did regurge the meal. There it is right there. I was hoping that this wouldn't happen, but there's plenty more to be found. It ate that toad. It did kind of look like a toad to me, yeah, the shape of it, but we'll move this way because that's kind of gross. So good sized snake. It's actually sitting still, which is good. Just give you guys a look. So this one, if you notice, has 0 markings on the neck. And I know every single time I do any videos or post any photos of these cobras from this area, everyone's an expert and I am not. So I treat them all the same as having the potential to spit. And I'm sure there's people in the comments that could tell me that this snake is not a spitter and it's this and it's that, and I don't know for sure what's going on. These cobras in this area are very difficult for me to categorize and ID. But that is cool. All right, go on about your business. Find another toad. Sorry about that. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed that. This is the stuff that happens just randomly in this area. but we are happy to get these snakes out of people's bathrooms. That lady is actually a school teacher at the school down the street that we do all of our little charity stuff with, so I'm just happy that nobody killed it and we got to it first. Doesn't it slide on wheels?
It is slide on wheel, but I have a hard time doing so.
Doesn't seem like it's sliding to me on wheels.
It's got wheels. You see those? Those are wheels. You need to tilt back a bit and then slide it first. See it?
Nope.
It's probably moving. Follow the. Oh, it's right there. Now it's on this side. Okay,
What if I push the fridge back?
It's probably gonna follow back, but yeah.
Throw, if you see it, just jump on it with the towel.
Okay.
There. Yeah! Wait, let's see it.
No, I try to make position for you here.
Yes, 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 yes. Let me see if this is the same one from last night. I think this is the same one from last night.
Okay, get her out.
No?
Last night was a girl.
Female. I think this is a male. I don't know. I can't tell. It's about the same size.
Put it to my mom's house.
Living in Thailand, Tokes under the refrigerator. I bet some of you wish you could say that. Crazy.